Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be making an autumn project today, autumnal I should say. I'm going to be using Aquacast and resin. Now, I've already poured the Aquacast because I filmed all this once before and I hadn't pressed record. Honestly, my brain's, I've said this a couple of times recently, my brain's gone. So I got this pumpkin mould from now on bargains. It was only £1. It's for baking, I presume. And I've used 400 grams of Aquacast and 140 grams of water and a tiny, well, it was two drops of resin creep pigment in orange. So I'm just going to put this on the vibration plate and I'll see you back when it's cured. And I think we're going to decoupage this one. I'm also going to be making one out of resin. So I'll see you in a bit. All cured now. It's actually been a couple of days. We'll get this out, shall we? Oh, that's nice. I like it. What a lovely little mould for £1. You can't see it on the camera, I don't think. It's slightly tinged orange. Right, I need to take all this off. Might use a deburring tool for that. Nice and simple. It just comes off. Get all this off and then we can start decoupaging it. Although I need to get the resin one made, don't I? Getting ahead of myself there. I hope everybody's okay. I hope you've all had a good week. I'm actually on my first day off this week now. Gonna have a wonderful day crafting. Right, there we go. Oh no, a bit more at the bottom. Comes off very easy with the deburring tool. Right, I will show you what I'm going to be putting on it. Aren't they cute? I've cut it slightly over the seam, you know how they come in quarters, just so I can get it all on. Isn't that lovely? And he's just perfect to go up the stalk. So we're going to be using that. I have separated the plies. There were 3 plies, so I've just got the top ply, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to start decoupaging now because we're going to get the resin mixed up. See you in a minute. Right, I've mixed up 300 mils of Teexpert epoxy resin. I've decanted some into this, so there's 100 in there and 200 in there. Now, I made my own pigment paste the other day, so I want to try it out. So this is going in the main one, the big one. Don't know how much I'll need. I put quite a lot of mica powder in it, so it's quite runny as well. We'll stick a fair amount in. Oh, that is lovely. Very pumpkin-y colour, isn't it? Right, I think that's fine. Right, and in this one, I'm going to be mixing Autumn Leaves Gilding Flakes. I'm just going to put some of these in. What a fair amount. They are beautiful, these. Very strange when you look at them because they've got blues and pinks and you think, how's that autumn? But they just work. I'm going to break them all up. I don't want any big clumps. That's the hardest part, I think. Ooh, that looks cool. Still not fine enough. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour off and off, I think, with the pumpkin. I've also got a stand for it because I don't want it too thick. I'm not filling the mould completely. It would be far too thick and probably take about a kilogram of resin. A litre, sorry. A litre of resin. I do want quite a bit of clear in it. And I'm going to pop a bit of Mace Spring Dazzling Diamond in it. Just a tiny bit. And I mean a tiny bit. That should be enough. I was saying to Mr. Editor last night, I said, we were looking at one of the old videos for some reason, I can't remember, and I said, I've forgotten the name of them. The glitter I've used since I started YouTube, you know, just to add a bit of something. Angel Whispers, there we go, it came to me. Yeah, I said Angel Whispers has retired since I bought this May Spring. It's very nice. I actually got the idea from Sally at All the Boy Creations. She did a comparison between the Mayspring, the Dazzling Diamonds and the Crushed Crystal, and it is very nice, so thanks Sally. Right, enough waffling, let's have a look. And I'm making a stand, so we'll do the stand first because they're only small. So right, let me think. That's the front of the stand, so we'll drizzle a bit of this in the bottom. There we go, perfect. And then we'll push this in. Oh, that's a very nice colour, I like it. We'll push it in to fill it up. I'm hoping there's enough now for the pumpkin. I've not done this in a long time, you know, the off and off. When I first started I used to use it quite a lot. Like half clear with a bit of glitter in and half a colour. I just think it's a very easy way for it to look special. Right, a bit more in there and then that's that done. I think that's fine. We don't want to be overfilling these or they don't fit together. There we go. Right, I've been debating with myself whether to put the glitter at the top or the glitter at the bottom or at the side. I need to ask somebody. So I'm going to pop it at the top. Right, we'll pour that in there. I don't want too much, but we're just going to use the rest of the resin and see where it goes up to. Right, I'm sorry, it was slightly off shot there, but the bottom's just that, and as you can see I swirled it a little bit, and what will be will be. Let the resin do its own thing and we'll be back for demold. Right, okay, today I would normally use Mod Podge for this, but for the life of me I cannot find it. I know I've got a big tub of it somewhere, so I'm just using clear PVA glue, and I'm going to put it in here because I want to mix a bit of water with it. I just think it works better with a bit of water in. I even do that with the Mod Podge. Right, a tiny drop of water. That should be enough. Give it a good mix. Mixes quite well with the clear PVA. And I'm going to put you on a fast forward for this. You're going to see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, it's cured now. Let's have a look. Bit sharp on the back, needs trimming. Oh, pretty. Yeah, that's nice. Now, I'm thinking of doing gold in between there and around there. What do you think? Yeah, let's give it a go. We can always wipe it off if we don't need to. I'll use the chrome marker, although I do think bronze might look better. I'll try bronze. Let's just see. Will it fit? Oh, it fits in there nicely. Oh yeah, I like that. Shall we get the stand out? Let's get the stand out. Don't know whether it'll fit on this or if it's too thick, but we shall have a look. Oh, they turned out nice. I think I did them the wrong way around, didn't I? Oh no. Oh, that's fine. Let's have a see. They're still a bit bendy them. Oh, nice. Need to deburr, because obviously one side That side's alright, but this side's a bit, yeah, we'll dip it around there. Let's have a look at it on the stand. I don't want to wipe that bronze off. Oh, it fits perfectly. If I could get hold of it. Slippery little devil. Oh, isn't that sweet? A lovely piece of home decor. I'm going to put that in my living room. What do you think? I'll show you the decoupage one. I've just given it a second, well actually that's the third coat. I found my Mod Podge and I've given it a third coat, so it's not quite dry yet, but that's so pretty. I will leave it to dry and do the photos, take the photos. I've already put, let me get hold of that, a wall hanging. I've super glued that on so that I can hang it up if I want. What do you think? And I'm gonna, that's obviously on a stand, that one, but I'm gonna take some photos. I'll leave them at the end, don't miss out on them because you'll get to see that one finished. I hope you've liked this video. I've enjoyed making it, that's for sure. What a lovely mould for £1. Absolute bargain. Get yourself to own bargains if you're in the UK. I'm pretty sure if you're in the US you can get it from what do you call it, Dollar Tree. Yeah, in the baking section. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. You're awesome, and I'll see you soon. Bye.